Hello guys, good morning, good evening, or any good time you may be in. What we will read today? Today we will read the easiest thing on the maths. What we have got here, we have got curve sketching. What I have got, we have got curve sketching. Here we will only deal polar curve sketching. R is equal to, we may have got 12 by 3 plus 2 cos theta, or 3 by 4 plus 4 sin theta, or 2 cosec theta upon 4 plus 4 cosec theta plus 4. What does this all mean? We will read here, and the standard form R is equal to dE. For all this is R is equal to dE, E plus of minus cos theta, or dE, E of plus or minus of sin theta. These two prevails in our things. And what does this means? What does this all means? What does D means? What does E means? What does sin theta cos theta means? What does plus minus? It only deals, curve sketching only deals with this question, so it is the easiest thing to deal with. So what does D represent? D represent, I hope D represents directrix, and A represents eccentricity. Sin theta will tell us what is the base, or what is the measure axis, or what is the transfer axis in case of hyperbola, and cos theta or sin theta. And plus minus deals with the rotation of, or from where the curve moves from positive to positive or negative to positive. Let's start. Suppose we have 12 3 plus cos theta. We have cos theta, that means for cos theta, what will be our x-axis? Will always be our measure axis. Remember that for cos theta, x-axis will always be our measure axis, and for sin theta, y-axis will be our measure axis. By measure axis I mean to say transverse axis as well, transverse axis for hyperbola as well as for sin theta. Transverse axis, when it will be sin theta, y-axis will be measure axis or transverse axis. So E is our eccentricity. It tells us which curve is it. E is equal to 1, E is greater than 1, E is less than 1. E is equal to 1, we already know it. It is parabola. E is greater than 1, hyperbola. And E is less than 1, it is ellipse. So we can easily find which curve is going to be plotted. And what does this plus minus represent? Suppose we have a curve and we have plus, let us say we have plus, so it will move from positive plus to plus. We have for plus to plus, that is positive to positive, and this is positive to positive direction, positive to positive. And what if it has minus, or it has straight tight? We will be discussing more in our exercise. So So thanks, this much for now. We'll be back very soon, or we may have already put the video, but you may not have reached access it through my channel. Thank you.